and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright, we've got the Taurus TX22. We're going to field strip it today. No magazine in it, nothing in the chamber, and we've got this little bar right here. And we're going to pull down on both sides. You see you got both pull down, so I'm going to pull back a little bit, pull that bar, pull the trigger, push it forward. Now when I pushed it forward, this is about as far forward as it's going to go back. When I let the bar up, it pushed it back out. And now it comes straight off. It doesn't go forward like a lot of them, it comes straight off. So the spring, push forward, pull out, and the barrel is the same way. This is a very easy barrel to take out, and we're going to put it right back together the same way we took it apart. So we're going to go back in this way, just like that. Now this one doesn't seat. This is free sliding. It doesn't have a seating mechanism here nor even here. It's just all smooth right there. This is your front. This is your rear. I'm going to put this toward the front. I'm going to seat it down on this notch right there. Just going to push it here, just like that. Now this is a little bit different. Basically, if we can see these two tabs here and your tabs here, those tabs go into this part that's kind of cut out right here, and the rear tabs go into that part. So we don't start back here. We have to actually start right here. We're going to push down really nice and tight to the frame, and then we're going to push back, and now it's seated. So remember that it doesn't start from the rear, it starts in the center. You line them up with those two little tabs, and then you push it to the frame, and it may be easier to get a good grip on the frame. Push it to the frame, and then you push back, and it will seat. So now this thing's put back together and ready to go do some shooting. I'm Spencer, the Small Arms Instructor at Defense Training. I hope this video helps you in your daily carry of small arms. Always train for the worst, pray for the best. Stay safe, stay armed.